Question. Let me see if
potassium, the same thing. Is there?
Yeah, let me. That's a really good. So if I'm going to restate your question and see if I've got it right. Tell me how much I need to drink. Tell me how much sodium I have to have, and I'll measure it and make sure I get that much in. Okay? Is that a fair question? Tell me how much potassium I need, Dr. Rutledge, you annoying little man, and then I'll do it. Okay? But I do not have the answer to that, and let me tell you why. Because I'm going to give you a similar question. How much gas do you need for your car every day? Depends on the car, right? Depends on how much you drive. And depends on how you drive it, right? Okay, so you could say I'm a terrible person for the world because of my carbon footprint because I have a car with a big V8 engine. But I only drive 2 miles to work every day. Okay? You could have a Prius and drive to Salt Lake City every day. Okay? So how much gas the car needs depends on what you do with it. So each of you, we cannot give you a salt number. We can't give you a fluid number because look around the room. Do you notice how we all look different? Different height, different weight, different gender. Let me give you an example. One of my patients works here in town for the county road crew. So during the summer, he's out trying to change a tire on a big road grader in 120-degree weather with a big iron breaker bar. He will drink quarts of Gatorade every day. One of my other patients here in town works at the Henderson Police Department as a dispatcher in an air-conditioned room sitting down. How much gas do those two cars need? How much sodium do those two cars need? How much fluid do they need? Each one is radically different, and so you can't give a number. People on my website in the mailing list have tried to give numbers back and forth, and I discourage that. Again, what we say is stand up and see how you feel. If you feel a little weak and tired, your tank is low. Now, you can get more detailed. You can measure blood pressure and pulse rate and things like that. But just standing up to see how you feel is as good as any. And we can't give you a 2-quart or X milligrams of sodium or potassium because each of us is so radically different. But that's a really good question. And the answer is stand up and see how you feel. If you're weak and tired and washed out, not enough salt, not enough fluid. Drink some more Gatorade, have some more chicken noodle soup or V8 or something like that. So good question. Okay. Other questions?